What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're gonna go ahead and upgrade our wastegate spring. So it currently has a 7 psi inner spring, and I went to Emmett.Racing and bought a 10 psi outer spring. So we're gonna go ahead and take this out. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. Alright guys, so this is the spring that came out of the wastegate. It's a purple and brown inner spring, and this one's a brown and blue outer spring. So what you can do is put these two springs together and put them in the diaphragm of the wastegate, and you can push more pounds of boost. So this would be the outer spring's 10 plus the 7 psi spring, so 17 pounds of boost that the wastegate will open. But we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna run the one 10 pound and adjust our boost with the boost controller. All right guys, so now that the new spring's installed, we're gonna go ahead and adjust our boost controller. We're gonna back it all the way off. The way this thing works, it's a bleed valve. So it has a spring and a ball inside, and it's just cut or spliced into directly of the wastegate. So again, we're gonna back this off and then check out how many pounds of boost it's pushing. All right guys, so that's it. We changed the spring and backed off the boost controller. So it should be pushing about 10 psi of boost off the wastegate, and I can adjust later on when I'm running race gas or something. So let's go ahead, get this thing started and piss off some of my neighbors.